Good morning, and today we're out and about in Wales, South Wales, Cwmcarn to be precise, and we're doing the 1807 route. It's not clear what that number stands for, so hopefully we'll find out en route. So it's just me and Grace and Gareth this morning, so let's get on with it. So from the car park at the visitor centre, come down the road, or on the path to the side of the road, down towards the main road where we'll go hopefully pick up the canal. Looks like this canal hasn't been active for a while. That's the canal. So the first part of this walk is very flat because it follows the canal. Gorgeous colours. I do love beech trees. Over Green Meadow Bridge lie the shattered bodies of a number of miners who died in the Black Vein Colliery disaster, the 1st of December 1860. So if you come at the right time of year, there's a little tea shop here next to the canal, but it's closed. Also, it's a bit early in the walk for a stop at a cup of tea, yeah. Well, it's never too early, it's true. I've got one in my bag though, so I'll have that later. Hello. So we've done about 6.5 kilometres, most of which has been alongside the canal, but very soon we're getting to the end of the canal section and heading up into the hills. Yeah, beautiful autumn day. It's dry so far, which is good. Yeah, love the colours of the trees. So this is the bridge. This is the bridge we'll go over, and we leave the canal. Hey. And head through some woods for a little bit before going across some fields, I think. Oh, it's licorice all sort time, is it? Excellent. So one thing you might not know is that our walks are often fueled by giant licorice all sorts. These are the best. And there's the Bristol Channel in the distance. Beautiful colours. It's not the brightest of days, but it is beautiful. Also, since my last video, I have surpassed 200 subscribers. So if that's you, thank you very much. I don't know most of you, I'm sure, but yeah, glad to have you along on the journey. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, well, you know where the button is. So just over 9 kilometres. I don't know if you can make it out, but there's Pantia Eos Reservoir down below. And a lovely, beautiful bit of woodland. Nice little lunch spot. Peanut butter sandwiches. Money life. So I've had lunch. I made our way over the field, and up the road, up a steep hill. Oh yeah, and the sky is blue. Sun is coming out. Excellent. Twmbarlwm. This is the best bit of the walk, I think, coming up. Up on the hills. So we're heading up the road and then up the hill to Twmbarlwm, whatever it's called. This is the top of Twmbarlwm. Iron Age hill fort. And you got this sort of moat bound mound. Last few steps. So here we are, the top of Twmbarlwm. It's quite breezy, but great views. You can see down to the Bristol Channel over there. Difficult to make out now, but you can see Cardiff over there. I'm guessing that's Newport just behind me over there. And Risca down in the valley. So yeah, good views all round. So this is Twmbarlwm, which dates back to the Bronze Age, probably Iron Age as well, probably Roman. yeah, you can see why people would come up here. You would see your enemies coming from miles away.
A mournful cow.
Yeah. Trick point. We have conquered Twmbarlwm. There we are. Yay. And the rain is just starting to come in. So the cows did know something we didn't. So we're heading that way. Let's go.
Onward and downward.
Onward and downward. We're heading down now anyway. Down that way. Imposing hill fort. Ahead of you is the hill fort of Twmbarlwm, once the centre of Silurian Celts who fought a 25-year war with Rome. Beautiful colours. Oh, I see. Oh, you get a kiss this time. Keep it clean, it's a family show. Beautiful. Colours are amazing. Not sure if they come out quite as well in the videos they do in real life. Get that nice leaf rustle sound now. So we're more or less back at the car, a few hundred metres left to go. Beautiful last little bit down by this river and beach trees. Amazing colours. So it's going to be about 15 kilometres or 9 miles. Really varied route actually, starting off with a good few kilometres along the canal. then climbing out through the woods and fields, up onto Twmbarlwm and the hill fort, great views, and then coming back down through these wooded valleys. Yeah, fantastic little walk really. Yeah, I think a week ago it would have been even better with the leaves on the trees, but hey, not complaining, it was gorgeous. So I will leave the route as normal. Actually, I never found out why it's called the 1801. If I do, I'll come back and tell you. But other than that, I'll leave the route and see you next time.